Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. There's something about that work, 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 work. Where you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, man, drive me a desertion. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all in your dreams, not duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart and my sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, you know, in this voiceover day, I got a little lazy, clearly, and I'm a little sick too. It's just been like one of those days, but we're about to get into this hair tutorial. So I'm taking my faux Denman brush. This is one of those like goodies brushes, like the woolly brushes that you can, you know, act like a Denman brush, and I'm just brushing out all of my hair. My hair is not freshly washed. I washed it the night before and put some like my regular products in there to, you know, get a little curl pattern going on so my hair won't be dry. So I'm just brushing out the curls so I can have a more fluffier top knot bun. So taking my spray bottle, this only has water in it, and it clearly also has a hole in it, so it's spitting out from the side. I'm just wetting the top and back of my hair so I can put it in a ponytail. So now I'm taking my curl control defining pudding, and I'm just using this to slick back my hair. I do go in with other products to slick back my hair, but this just helps me get all this hair into a ponytail. So that's what I'm doing here. You could pick the time and the place, you'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Something about that work, 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 work. Where you walk a line, I'm in the cafe, man. So I'm just making sure everything is legit smooth. I literally have a hard time getting the back of my head smooth because you know how you end up with little bumps. So I really made it a goal for me to have a smooth back of the head so that it wouldn't look crazy. I am honestly surprised that this rubber band did not break because it's as tight as I was pulling it. You would think it would have popped by now because most of my rubber bands or my little scrunchies that I have been using have been just breaking just because they feel like it. I'm surprised this one did not. So I'm taking my Shea Moisture Curling Gel Souffle, and I'm using this to slick down my hair even more. I also went in with the Got2b gel, the extra hold, and the black bottle so I can have a more like clean look, because obviously this look is very like clean and there's like no flyaways. It's not messy. It's like really, really clean. Okay, time to tackle this bun. So how I did my original hair is I twisted it as well as if I was doing a top knot because I needed this bun to be small. I had to redo this hairstyle twice only because my actual hair, the bun, was way too big. So if you're doing this hairstyle and you have a lot of hair, make sure you really wrap your actual hair tight into a little bun, not a big bun. If you have less hair, this hairstyle will be perfect for you. So I'm sure you all remember this hair from my braiding hair tutorial. This is the same hair. You see it lasts a very long time. So I'm just taking that elastic rubber band that I have wrapped around the hair, and it's also split into two pieces, as you can see. And I'm just going to place this on the bun, but making sure the hair is towards the back of my head. So I'm taking the right side of the fake hair, the braiding hair, and I'm twisting it halfway down, like twisting it, making sure it's super tight. And then I'm going to start wrapping. So I'm going from behind only to make sure that the elastic band is kind of secure instead of wrapping it towards the front. So wrap it towards the back first and make sure that the twisted part is laying on the loose braiding hair, if that makes sense. Now, as you can see, with my twist or with my hair, I have to start the first twist a little halfway up my bun because I have a lot of hair. And then I'm going to make sure all the rest of the twisted braiding hair is going to be wrapped under the first twist. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work it to me, have you work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk on before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see the truth. I hope that you see the truth. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. It's me, I feel work. It's me, do me that. Tell me about that.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through.
Now taking the last little strand, I'm just tucking it under the rest of the twisted hair. And then I'm going to work on the left side. Now with the left side, how it's different is I'm going to wrap it towards the front instead of wrapping it towards the back. And we're going to use the same method as we did on the right side as well. So as you can see, the top knot braid is getting taller and taller. I have a lot of hair, so my top knot bun, I said braid, didn't I? My top knot bun automatically was going to be high. But if you can tell, I'm kind of squeezing the bun so I can make sure that the twisted hair that I'm wrapping around is going under the previous twist, if that makes sense. So if you have trouble with trying to get the hair under each twist, just squeeze the bun so you can kind of lift it up and the hair will just whoop, go right under the twist.
Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like me, I like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody work. You see me have you work. You see me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. When you walk a I'm in the cafe, drive me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking.
So I'm just taking some hairspray, ISO Plus. The reason why I like to use this hairspray is because it doesn't get hard. It still leaves you with a soft finish. And I'm just taking my toothbrush and just brushing the hair up so I can get a more clean look. And then I'm going in with my trusty Gorilla, I was about to say glue again, y'all. My Gorilla Gel, whatever it's called, Gorilla Glue, I don't freaking know. And I'm going to slick down these baby hairs. So I'm just going to let y'all watch this part. But basically, this is kind of like the end of the tutorial. So I'm just going to let y'all enjoy.
slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done if you come over. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah.
Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to hit that bell icon notification if you haven't done so. But I look forward to seeing y'all in my next tutorial. Bye guys!
You see me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. Where you walk a line.